guys, what's up and welcome to Kawaii Cookin. For today's video, we're going to take a trip to the past. I have already done this candy kit. It is a Moko Moko candy kit from the company Heart. They're like another alternative to Poppin' Cookin'. Since my last video that I did with Amazing Phil, they've also come out with a urinal and a bathtub. What is more exciting or kawaii than toilets, urinals, and bathtubs with cute little kawaii faces that you can eat out of? Absolutely nothing, right, Lena?
Right.
Yeah. So I thought we could, go HGTV with this and get down and dirty with some toilet stuff. Okay, I don't know. Let's do this. The exciting part about these candy kits is you can get a variety of different things. Look, they all have different hair, different eyes. So you have these four to choose from the urinal, and these two for the toilets, which are super cute. The bathtub has some cute options as well. And when you're done, you can put a little succulent in it, or use it for your erasers. I don't know, probably not gonna be doing that. I think the cover tells me which thing I'm going to get. So for the bathtub, it says number 2. I think it will be the pink one. Number 2 for the toilet is this red robot. Number 1 for the urinal, it'll just be the plain white urinal, I think. Let's start with the toilet because they've obviously done some upgrades. These are new designs. I think they're on to version 6. I believe that's what that is. They come out with new toilets, so you could just be collecting these for however long you want. There's probably some of you out there that are watching this video and you're like, yes, I have all of them. Good on you, buddy. Let's open this up. Oh, this is fun. It's a lot of building. We have these guys, we have our cool stickers, we have 2 packets and a straw, and the instructions are pretty simple. I'll set these guys off to the side because we don't need them until the very, very end. Let's break open this toilet kit. Ooh la la! That is a shiny red toilet. It's always so weird when toilets aren't white. Okay, this must be the water part. Oh man, I would totally use this for my Barbies. I need to get Barbies. I'm just putting this together how I think I should. Take off the toilet lid. This is the top part for this. I believe we just clip this guy in, like so. There he is! It's just weird. Right? It's just weird. We all think this is a little weird, right? Bada boom, bada bing. There's your toilet. Next thing we gotta do is add these stickers. Okay, this is gonna get weird. These stickers actually go on the toilet, like on the lid. That is so strange. Well, there's 2 ways you can do this. I put it together too eagerly. I think one of the ways you could do this is put the stickers on first. And I think moving forward, that is what we'll do. But let me just go ahead and get to it. These, I believe, go all the way towards the back and just kind of rest on the seat. This will take all of my concentration. That was a little tough. It's not as clean as I would like, but it'll do the job. That looks pretty good. Oh, they have the little thing for the flusher. Fun story, one time when I was in Japan, I got stuck on a toilet because I didn't know what button I pushed, but there was a bunch of stuff happening and I didn't know how to turn it off. There's the flusher. Whoa, there's a bunch of stuff. It doesn't really tell you where the stickers go. I think you just figure that out on your own. Well, I know where the eyes go, so we'll start there. There's the eyes, and we have a couple stickers left. Maybe one of these can go on each side, right here. That works. Something should go up here. Maybe I'll place this up here. And then we have 1 sticker left. We have to use all the stickers. We're gonna put this on the top of the lid. Why not? There you have it, people. Cute little toilet. This guy is done. I'm gonna set him off to the side, and we're gonna do all of the mixing, all of the Moko Moko Mokolet mixing at the very, very end so we can get a good feel and taste for every single toilet. Something I never thought I'd say. Oh, YouTube. Next up is the urinal. Another thing I never thought I'd say on my YouTube channel, but I mean, Kawaii Cookin takes us there. Let's open it up, see what's inside. Ooh, it's like an orange and like a pink flavor. I love how it comes with a straw. They gotta be a little elegant about it, So here's our stickers. We actually have options for the urinal. That's kind of cool. here are the parts we have to choose from. Ooh, is this a urinal or is it a squatty potty? I can't tell. I don't go into the boys' bathroom. This might be a squatty potty. I don't know. I'll be corrected in the comments down below. Over in different countries, they have basically these squatty potties. They're supposed to be a lot cleaner, but you just like squat down and you go to the bathroom. In Japan, they had some bathrooms that were like this. Before I put this together, let's work on the stickers. Ooh. Do we want brown or blue eyes? Do we want one brown and one blue? Is that gonna be weird? One brown, one blue. Just like my character in Maple Story. Anyone play Maple Story? So addicting. Place that eye here. Whoop, they're a little crooked. You know what? It's the toilet. We could go crazy if we wanna. In the picture, right here, there's like little lettering underneath its eyes. I'm gonna do whatever I want. We'll put that right in the middle. I guess around the toilet, we'll just place all the rest of this stuff. Honestly, there's no rules here. It's stickers. If you were a freak like me when you were younger, or now, you get really like anxious about placing stickers, because what if you do it wrong? Then it's there forever? That's how I feel. But I'm working through it, as you can see. I'm going to place this little bow up here. You can be as perfect as you want with this. I think it's better when you just do whatever you want. Ooh, look at this. Magical stuff, yeah. We'll do a little sparkle too. It's a magical toilet filled with magical things. You magical toilet. You magical toilet. Yeah, yeah. That actually sounded kind of good, like it would be something, huh? Oh, nice. I'm not good at lyrics, you know I'm not. If you watch my Minecraft videos, you know it. It's as far as it goes. Okay, that guy's done. We finished all the stickers. This goes on top like so. Kind of just have to squish it in there. I could have put something up here. Nah, too distracting. And there you have it, little squatty potty. One eye is blue, one eye is brown. They're confused. What's happening? Only time will tell. Next up is the bathtub. Ooh, the packets are different. Look at that. Blue and green. Usually blue is the ramune. I cannot read that. Ofaro Romoto. Now I'm scared. I have no idea what this flavor is. I'm a little frightened. Ooh, look at the stickers on this one. They have all these different things. And lips, oh my gosh. The weird thing about this candy kit is not that it's a candy kit that's a bathtub, is that it has like a little spout that we push and foam will come out of it. So one of the packets goes in the tub and the other packet goes in the like little spout area. Let's put together the spout first. These two guys just kind of clamp together. This would go into here like so, and this guy just slips on down in here. Oh, that's it. How do I make it come up? Is it just a one-time use? I don't know. Did I do it the wrong way? It's supposed to go this way. Oh, I did it wrong still. Oh, I did it right. Cool. So let's do the stickers. Oh, you can have it being winking. We can have a winky bathtub. Cute. Let's put one eye here. It's just a little winky dink. Oh man, it's a little crooked. Should have been higher.
She's got a dinky winky eye.
This got real crazy. It's a bathtub. There's no rules. There's an eyebrow. Oh, this is tough. There's another eye. Oh man, she's seen better days. This is bad. Don't laugh at me.
She is shocked.
It is not a good day for her. She's like, what time is it? Okay, it's getting worse as I progress. Oh my God, it's getting so worse. Okay, I'm like thinking, how is it possible to make this better? To be honest, I don't know. Like, you have to be really good at stickers to be able to place these. You almost have to do like hidden markers that you can follow as a guide, but it's pretty hard. This goes up here. Listen, there's only so much I can do here, okay? It's challenging. Sometimes things look good when they're like a little bit off. This isn't the case. She is looking drunk. That looks all right though. The little brush on the side. Put the little heart here. And then there's these orange things. I don't know what they are. They kind of look like scary eyeballs. What do you think that is? Are they little blush marks? Oh my God. Wow, it looks better when you add the rest of the stickers, right? Now it's time for my favorite part, mixing in the different powders. We are going to mix in the blue powder into this part of the bathtub. Once we add water to everything and we push down the nozzle, it's gonna pour into the bathtub. Let's give this stuff a smell. It's yogurt. Ooh, It has a yogurt smell, but it also has like a soda-y smell. It's like those yogurt sodas, the Japanese yogurt sodas. Delicious. I'm gonna carefully pour this into the little spout. Perfect. Going to place this back on top. And now we're gonna add water to the bathtub all the way to the line. There's a little tiny line in here. So I'm just gonna keep filling it up until we get to that point. Next, we'll be adding the green packet, which I don't know what flavor it is. Oh, Can you guess what flavor this is?
Melon?
Yeah, melon soda. Oh, that smells great. So it's like a melon yogurt mixture. We're pouring this into here. That's looking crazy. And we're gonna use the straw to mix it up. Oh my gosh, we just did like a bath bomb. Oh, that looks insane. Let me give this a little taste. It's like sour and sweet, filled with delicious melon goodness. Now we're supposed to go in here and kind of mix it up too, but it doesn't have any of the water in it. We did this wrong! I was supposed to fill it with water all the way to the top, then add this guy. It's okay, I have a plan. Don't do it, don't eat it dry. That'll wake you up in the morning. Okay, here's my idea. I'm gonna put some water in the straw and place it in here. Can't believe I did this wrong. It's supposed to be easy. Why am I such a doof? Don't answer that, Lena. Now I'm gonna try mixing it again. Ooh. Yeah, that's working. It's starting to foam already. I gotta push this in. Okay, is everyone ready to see this go? Oh, she's going on her own. Look at it. Patricia, I knew you could do it! Oh, she's pooping huge in there. Oh, oh, let's see it. Let me squish it down. Let's see what a little squish down looks like. Ready? Oh, she has her own agenda. She marches at the beat of her own drum. If I can push this up. Nope. Well, interesting. Whoa, look at it though. It's like the bath bubbles. I get why it's the yogurt flavor. Oh, it's still going. She's still going. Riveting stuff here, Kawaii Cookin today. Let me give this a taste. It tastes like a crazy candy. That looks insane. So we're gonna let that keep going. And we're gonna work on this little squatty potty thing. Let's read the instructions. Not think we're some Kawaii Cookin genius that knows everything. She doesn't. Lena. So we have 2 different flavors. Ooh, orange and strawberry. I used to have these dolls. They were cupcake dolls. And they look like cupcakes, and then you'd flip them inside out, and then they turn into dolls. And they were scented, and one of my dolls smelled like this. That's a good smell.
Ooh, it smells like strawberry lip gloss.
Oh yeah, that's what it smells like. All right, let's pour this guy into here, to the top part. And then we are going to use the toilet lid. I know, guys, this is crazy stuff. Use the toilet lid as a scooper. One full toilet lid coming up. Feels like it's gonna get messy. Yeah, I did it! Sweet! Oh my gosh, it just goes down in there. It's foaming! It's foaming at the mouth! Put the lid back on. So use our little straw. Whoa! Oh my gosh! Whoa, that looks crazy! It felt like 1 scoop wasn't enough, but I guess it's fine. Oh my gosh, that is so weird. Let's try it and see what it tastes like. Whoa! Yeah, that's good. It's like eating your lip gloss, your lip smackers. Same as the squatty potty, we're gonna take the lid off and use that as our measuring cup for 2 spoonfuls of water. I was right. Ramune! 2 scoops of water. Oh, it's getting squishy down there. Let's mix this in a little bit. Oh, look at her go. Look at her go. We'll put the lid back on. Dang, that looks crazy. Okay, let's give her a taste. Ramen fleet. Ramen. I can't say it. It's so tart. It's making my, the little things that make you salivate. So every time I try to say ramune, I'm like ramune each time. Overall, the taste for each of these kits is so delicious. It makes me salivate like crazy. I'm half drooling just thinking about it. It's really tart, but super sweet. Smells like lip smackers. All of these flavors smell like things you shouldn't be eating. I mean, let alone out of a toilet. But it tastes so good. The most challenging part about these kits is probably the stickers, because I'm a perfectionist and I want to do it perfectly. But as you can tell over here with Patricia the bathtub, she's looking a little drunk. This guy's okay, he's a little crooked, and the squatty potty has seen better days. I really enjoy how on the box they try and tell you what you could do afterwards with these things. I wouldn't. These are going in the trash. Kind of like Patricia though. I'm gonna keep Patricia for the memories. I have 2 more packets left. Should I just add them to it? Go crazy? I wanna see what they smell like too. I love that they give you extra flavor packets. This is like a strawberry, raspberry smelling one. I'm just throwing them in. Let's throw them into everything. Let's go crazy. Orange just smells like orange. Okay, I think I ruined this one. Oh, you do not want to eat those on their own. I'm gonna add more water to this and everywhere else. This looks so cool. That is it for today's episode of Kawaii Cookin'. I hope you guys enjoyed the Mokolet candy kits from Heart. Your girl's done. This is looking real gross, so I'm ready to get out of here.
No, wait. Megan, I challenge you to drink all 3 of them as fast as you can.
You're psycho.
Do it, do it, do it. Do it!
You gonna time me? It's the Moko Moko challenge. What's up?
You ready to get your Moko Moko on?
Yeah, boy!
Okay, on your mark. Get set. Go! Go! Come on, dig deep! Oh.
That is it! There's not enough water in these! It's all powdered foam! Yeah! If you like this video, make sure you give it a huge thumbs up. It lets me know that you want more. And hit subscribe so you know when I post new videos. And if you want more Kawaii Cookin', make sure you click the playlist link down below to get your fill. Also, head on over to my gaming channel to see gaming uploads. All right, I'm out.